Hello, everyone. I am Tanya Cross, the accessory designer of Accent and Glory and the workshop facilitator of Divine Events. The video that's following this introduction is a Facebook Live that I created for my Facebook group, Digital Marketing on a Budget. Digital Marketing on a Budget is a support group for small business owners and entrepreneurs that share free and low cost marketing resources to help promote your brand, business, or organization and get seen online. In this Facebook Live, I share the importance of putting your best forward and how presentation is everything. For this live, our discussion topic was product launch, and I felt like this particular Facebook Live would be a great resource to accompany my tutorial, Your Best Forward, how to get seen online. So I hope that you find this Facebook Live information helpful, and thanks for joining. Hi, Digital Marketing on a Budget fam. I am Tanya Cross. I am the visionary and do-it-yourself entrepreneur of this amazing group, Digital Marketing on a Budget. I know I'm supposed to come on tonight at 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, but I will not be able to join you guys tonight. I am doing a vision board empowerment event at Livingstone College tonight. So I decided to come on real quick and fast during my lunch break. So hi guys, how are you doing? I hope everyone is well. I'm in my car. As you guys can see, it is cold here in North Carolina. But anyway, quick tip on as far as content creation. What I want to encourage everybody to do for your product launch, for your content creation, is to make sure you are presentation is everything. So make sure you put in your best foot forward. And when I say that, as far as copyright, and copyright is basically your written promotional information. Just go over it or have somebody else to go over it. Check for spelling, check for grammar. Make sure everything is accurate and correct. Like I say, presentation is everything. I know everybody don't have issues with typos, but some people do. And you don't want to turn off a customer, a potential client, simply over a typo, because it's a possibility that they might not take you serious. If and I'm not saying a few typos, but if you have like multiple typos or questionable grammar, they may not take you serious, and they may have the mindset where if they didn't take the time to proofread or edit, are they really going to take the time to provide a service, a quality product to me? So it's just something that you really need to consider, because you got to understand the buyer and the buyer train of thought when purchasing products or services. So that's something to think about. As far as photos, try to have high quality photos. Once again, it's a reflection of your product, of your service. You can create great photos with your iPhone. Having quality photos don't necessarily mean you have to have a very expensive camera, or you have to be a professional photographer. With technology you have today, you can create great photos on your cell phone, but just be mindful. Like I said, once again, presentation is everything. You want to put your best foot forward. The third thing that I want to talk about is your graphics. Make sure you have quality graphics when you create the content to promote your product launch or service launch. I use Canva. Canva is like top notch, best resource you can use when creating graphics. And I mean, it's free, and they also do have a paid version as well. If you want to take your graphics to another level, but I have found that the free software app or program that they offer has been sufficient for me in creating graphics to promote my business. So yeah, like I say, presentation is everything. Put your best foot forward, because what are you trying to do basically when you're creating content for your product launch or for your service launch? You're trying to attract the buyer. You're trying to get their attention. You're trying to grab their attention. And then once you get that attention, that initial attention, to get them to click on that link or click on that shop link to purchase or buy, then you have a possible sale. So that's the ultimate goal is to get that sales, to get that purchase, is to make that money, but you got to attract the buyer first. And a great way to attract that buyer is to have great content, and make sure that the content that you're putting out there, number one, your written content is no typos, also proper grammar, and then also quality of your photos and quality of your graphics. I'm sorry, I won't be able to see you guys tonight, but like I said, I have another event tonight that's going to run over into the 9:30 time slot that I normally come on and share with you guys this month on Tuesday. So you guys have a great day, and I hope everybody that's following along with this process of product launch, that you learning something, that you finding the information helpful, that you finding the information useful. So you guys have a great day. Take care. Bye.